Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 5 power x plus 5 power x equals 100. Solving for the value of x that satisfies this equation. So we can decide to factor out 5 power x. I have 5 power x times this divided 5 power x. I have 1 plus 5 power x divided 5 power x. I have 1. And this equals 100. So from here, I have 5 power x times 1 plus 1. This is 2. And this equals 100. So from here, I can simply divide this by 2 and divide this by 2. So from here we have 5 power x equals 100 divided by 2. That is 50. So what we can do now is to apply log of log 5 power x equals log 50. So from here, I can have log 5 power x equals log 50. We can simply express it as this is 25 times 2. And also remember that if you have log a times b equals log a plus log b. So applying that here, I will have log 5 power x equals log 25 plus log 2. And from here, I can express 25 as 5 power 2, which is 5 times 5. I have log 5 power x equals log, this is 5 power 2, that is 5 times 5. This is plus log 2. Now, if you have log a power p, this equals p times log a. Applying this right here, I can also apply it here. I have x times log 5 equals 2 times log 5 plus log 2. So what we are going to do is to isolate x. We divide this by log 5 and we divide this by log 5. So from here, this cancels this. I have x equals 2 times log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. So from here, what I can do will be to divide each by the common denominator of x equals 2 times log 5 divided by log 5 plus f log 2 divided by log 5. So from here, what we can do is log 5 cancel log 5 of x equals 2 plus log 2. Then we have divided by log 5. Now remember that if you have log a divided by log b, this equals log a to the base of b. Applying that here, I will simply have x equals 2 plus log 2 to the base of 5. So this is our answer, 2 plus log 2 to the base of 5. We can also decide to verify this particular solution. So let's do that. We have 5 power x plus 5 power x equals 100. And our x equals 2 plus log 2 to the base of 5. That means we are going to have 5 power 2 plus log 2 to the base of 5 plus 5 power 2 plus log 2 to the base of 5 equals 100. Now remember, if you have a power x plus y, this equals a power x times a power y. Applying that here and here, have 5 power 2 times 5 power log 2 to the base of 5 plus 5 power 2 times 5 power log 2 to the base of 5 equals 100. So from here, 5 power 2, this is 25 times 5 power log 2 to the base of 5 plus this is 25 times 5 power log 2 to the base of 5 equals 100. So the next step would be, if you have a power log b to the base of a, this equals b. That means we have 2 here, we have 2 here. So what we are going to have will simply be 25 times 2 plus 25 times 2 equals 100. And from here, 25 times 2 is 100, plus 25 times 2 is 100. 25 times 2, that is 50, sorry. This is 50, it's not 100. Plus 25 times 2, that is 50, equals 100. And if you add 50 to 50, we are definitely going to have 100 here. And this equals 100 here. The both sides are now the same. So ladies and gentlemen, that is it. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. I really appreciate it. Thank you and see you in our next video. Goodbye.